Hello everyone, welcome back from my DJI Terra lesson. In This is the second lesson. In the first lesson, I talk you about how to activate and your account login and activate. So I already show in the first lesson. So you have activated, you have a license, DJI Terra license, and it's already start using. Mine is a trial. Okay. For information, you can see that my Terra version is 5.20. So first upgrade this version so you will see all the features. Let's go quick. Create project, select visible light. Now I will demonstrate for feed, which is most people use. Click OK, select folder. Select the right folder. Now I have this is banana. Select folder, then select recapture, check duty, hide, select your preference, go with hide, then start reconstruction, click OK. Then in this part there's every software do the same thing. First is collecting the data, the pictures that you collected from the 3M or any mapping drone, okay, with RGB, and then collecting, then processing, reconstructing the map. So this is 2D reconstruction in progress. So we have to wait for some time. Then we will proceed to the mission planning. So if you keep watching this whole video, I would like to share some tips. Maybe it's quite boring. This processing today I am showing is helpful for all the fee crops. Okay, and as long as you are spraying back and forth, it will help you processing. Okay, anyway, I'll make it first. Wait until the reconstruction map is ready. What do you think this processing will? And also, have you guys use DJI smartphone WAP, which is the WAP version, not the DJI smartphone app on mobile? Okay, DJI smartphone WAP takes the same job as this DJI Terra. So if you don't have DJI Terra license, if you want to use a free mission planning and quality mission planning like DJI Terra, DJI stay offer you DJI smartphone WAP so far for free. Everyone can try it. If you get lost, have no idea, you can check DJI smartphone WAP playlist in my YouTube channel, Wunna, W-U-N-A, Wunna, my name, and agriculture drone expert. Then there you will see my education video for DJI smartphone WAP. Yes, more important thing, in my previous video I already mentioned the activation of DJI Terra license. You may require the powerful laptop, like minimum requirement is written here, right? NVIDIA is the number 3. NVIDIA GPU is a must, and minimum requirement, as a minimum requirement, DJI already said i5 is okay, but from my experience, i5 is not okay, i7 is the best choice. Why? For the free crops, it's okay. Yes, correct. Because most people use the free crops. But if you want to process in the uh, if you want to process in the fruit trees, here you see the thanks, it free crops, it's okay. But if you want to see the free crops, maybe it process, you can plant it, but when you generate 3D route, it won't come up, it froze. So that's what happened to me with the i5 NVIDIA graphic. But of course, I think my laptop was low generation, which is 11 generations. It didn't work well. Anyway, maybe you can try, but I will suggest i7 NVIDIA graphic. The gaming laptop is the best choice for fruit tree mission planning. Yes, after this free mission planning, the next video is fruit tree mission planning. So I will make very clearly about these data. And yes, so my video about DJI Terra is how to activate Terra license. Now is the fee mission planning. Next is a fruit tree mission planning. What about before the 3 video? What do we need to know? What you need to know is about camera selection when you use Mavic 3 multispectral or Mavic 3 thermal, Mavic 3 enterprise or Phantom Full RDK, it doesn't matter. But if you say other drone like combined sensor like Mavic 3 multispectral have a RGB camera and multispectral, so you need to pick the RGB camera for this specific mission planning like fee crops or fruit trees. Don't pick the multispectral sensor if you are just doing mission planning mapping. It may lead to the processing unnecessarily longer, and the data is from the another 5 sensor, so that the data will be 5 or 6 times much more. That's the reason. Pick the RGB camera only if you use M3M, M3T. So just remember that, okay? Or maybe M4T. What we need is only RGB camera for fee mission planning and fruit tree mission planning. Yeah, one we need to pick this multispectral sensor. Yes, one we want to process multispectral data or very rate application, you can pick the multispectral sensor. So the drone will recognize the index number, different reflection index from the plants, and you can pick the different zone based on the index. You can allow them to spray a different application rate for different zone. So this is multispectral. And yes, if you want me to present about multispectral processing in DJI Terra or DJI smartphone web, please let me know, because I haven't seen many people use this. So so far I do not have plan to make the video. If you want, sure, I can make it for you on DJI Terra and also DJI smartphone web. Yes, so I think I share enough about the whole plan, the whole pictures, about the whole picture of processing and mission planning for the agriculture drones. So the drone got all the required the data to do the task smartly, efficiently, and safely. Okay, let's drop the earth. It's already 100%. We will proceed. You will see reconstruction complete. Click OK. You will see this is quite good enough for me, right? You see the banana row. Would you like to spray directly or the perpendiculars? Anyway, so if you don't want to see this the picture point, you can just off it. So this is banana plant. Want to spray? Let's go here. Application, agriculture application, demo, tissue. The left click to add the boundary point and the right click to exit. That means to deselect the plot if you have to plan multi-plot. I will show two plot mission today. Okay. Some people make mistake like this. For example, you select the area, right? They make it, select it, go it this way, and they say save and upload. This is totally not right, not correct. Why? Look, try and generate. Did you see that? Why is it going? Because see, it sinks as a pole. It sinks as a pole. That's why you cannot make mission planning straight away. Let me erase here. You have to start with modifying result. This is very important. So in the modifying result, there's a 4 object. Most important thing is others and the pole. Others mean spray area. Pole is avoid that area like as an obstacle. The water, flyers, bedding, flyboard, but won't spray it. Anyway, first paint as other. I will make a bigger brush for myself to have it. So yes, to cleanse up all the maps here. Okay, then if you see any pole, you can add it. Okay. I haven't seen any pole. Anyway, if you want, I just for you as an example, I will add some pole. Okay. Let's say we have a tower. Okay. So site assessment during mapping is very helpful and very important. Click OK. So modifying result is 10. Then the boundaries. You can pick the boundary. After you this, you have remember this full size calibration must be off, because if you on, you must add this calibration point at least 1, and the next day you, let's say I add here, then you have the next day you must find this on the ground, put your drone in that place. So turn off all the time. Okay, turn off and deselect. Oh yeah, let me show you generate route. Yeah, see, it's really perfect. So these parameter, hyperback cross, the fly rods, and the route and the fly rods, hyperback cross depend on the drone you use, right? And the route angle. These 3 settings is much easier to edit in your remote controller and faster. So I will leave this way. But just for information, I will show somehow. Okay, but you know, these don't get trouble yourself, because you can plan in the fields. It's much faster. But now anyway, I'll just show you as an example. So it's good to have it. Of course, in the field, if you put the drone here, the start point will be here. So anyway, just click save. So that's all. But I will make a so good thing about DJI Terra is you can add multiple plots at the same time. Okay, then save, back to edit, I click. So let's say you have multiple plot, maybe 2 or 3 or more plots. Then once you done is you can upload to clouds. Once you upload here, one click, it will send you to your remote controller. You can simply download it. So simple, and you will have the data recorded. You can see how many header each. So the same thing on the mobile view, you can see how many headers like this. So this is 1.8 header, 0.56 header. If you don't have internet in the field and you say, oh, my software, we can process with the SD card transport so quick, no problem. You can just simply click here, export to DJI algorithm, click here, and SD card will automatically receive the mission. So looks simple, right? That's all you have to do it. But most important thing, if you have the boundary, they have trees, and you should mark the boundary trees, something like this. So, but I will show you that if I got the another sample data. By the way, I met thanks my friends who shared me this sample data from his work. Thanks my brother Han, who is actively serving DJI Academy now. Okay, anyway, I'll just put back the other. Yeah, so that's it. So I'm sharing this video for those who may in need. So thanks guys for your patience, and I hope you will learn how to plan in DJI Terra the feed crops, simple and easy. See you in the next video. Bye bye.